Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the header on a Squarespace page in just a few simple steps. First, click Website in the left sidebar to open your site's main settings. The website panel loads with all your site-wide options. Next, click Pages to view all the pages on your site. You'll see a list of your pages appear in the main panel, showing each page name along with its visibility and settings icons. Find the page where you want to remove the header, in this case the home page, and click the gear icon next to it to open the Page Settings modal. In the Page Settings modal, click Navigation in the left menu to see the navigation options for this page. You'll see several header and footer display settings appear in the right panel. Now locate the Show Header toggle and click it to turn it off. The toggle will switch to the left and turn gray to indicate the header is now hidden on this page, only while remaining visible on your other pages. The change saves automatically, so you can now close the settings. Click Close in the top right corner of the Page Settings modal to return to the Pages view. Your page will now display without a header when visitors view it. If you want to hide the header on multiple pages, you'll need to repeat this process for each page individually. Squarespace doesn't have a bulk toggle for this. To turn the header back on later, just go back into that page's settings, click Navigation, and flip the Show Header toggle back on. Keep in mind that hiding the header also removes your main navigation menu from that page, so make sure you've got other navigation options in place if visitors need to move around your site. This is particularly useful for landing pages or full-screen homepage designs where you want a cleaner look without the standard site navigation. And that's how to remove the header on a Squarespace page. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.